So I was supposed to film this in the morning before I head out, and that just didn't happen. And then we had afternoon plans as a fam for Valentine's Day. So I am really doing this at nighttime, but I don't have any special lighting. This is home at night, so I'm just gonna roll with it. I've got my box here for the Pamper Yourself swap, Valentine's Day Pamper Yourself swap. I already took the top flaps off just to protect addresses. That's what I was trying to say, addresses. Also, like, I kind of just threw a hat on because part of the Valentine's Day fam get together is we went ice skating, and it was a lot of fun, but my hair kind of got all frizzed out from the moisture of the ice, but it's all good. I don't care. I love my curls. All right, so Leah was my partner. I will have her video channel in my description box, along with Kathleen Merkovich. She hosted the swap. I will also have her channel in the description box, the link for it. And I don't think she's done the playlist yet, so as soon as she does the playlist, everybody together, because not everybody got to film today or before today, so as the days go on, maybe even a week from now, there will be videos added on. So as soon as that playlist is put together, I will link it in the description box. Maybe I'll have it right away. I don't know when she plans to do it, but you know, just check back or check when we're done here and go see what I gave Leah and what everybody else got. So we're gonna start off first with the card. Pretty, it says thank you on it. Oh, there's a sticker that says always be joyful. How pretty. It says thank you for sharing so much positivity in our community. Have a blessed Valentine's Day. Love, Leah. Oh, that's so sweet. On a side note, if you watched my Dollar Tree haul, this is the result of Wick's Valentine's Day gift. At least it lasted longer than 20 seconds this time.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, back to the swap. Really, go check out Leah. She is so adorable. You will absolutely fall in love with her. And this isn't YouTube talk. I honestly mean it. She is just a doll. Oh my gosh, this box is stuffed. She got me some bath salts, which she doesn't know this about me, but I am a big bath taker. That is my me time. Speaking of pampering yourself, that is my escape, and I constantly use bath salts. So this is right up my alley, and it is coconut oil and sea salt. Oh, that smells really good. Alrighty. She got me some cucumber melon Bath and Body Works fragrance mist. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, and she like put ribbons on everything. How cute. Oh, and then she got me the matching, oh look, and she put like little hearts and stickers on everything. So cute. And I'm assuming this is the, I don't have my glasses, so it's gonna be hard, but I'm assuming this is the shower or bath stuff. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I think that says shower. I am by all means no skater at all. It was pretty rough out there. I had an amazing time, but like, if you see, like, some of my nails are gone. Yeah, it was rough. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, this box is stuffed. And then she got me, oh, how cute. Look at that. It's a plush knot headband. Oh, I love that. Girl, I watched your video already in the car. You said you need improvement? Well, no, you don't. They ain't kidding. It really is plush. Look at it. Oh, it's so soft. What a pretty color. Thank you. Oh. Exfoliating a bath glove. You know, I'm always intrigued by these gloves, and now I finally have one. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh, look at it. She got me some socks. So soft. Pretty color. Then she got me a bed head glow up selfie light. No way. Oh my gosh. Your vibe, our tribe. That is so stinking cool. Look at that. And I was just saying I have no special lighting. Show me some bath bombs, almond oil, and getting old and rough. I want to say that says Magnolia. I can't read it. I can't. But look, and it is by the Bolero brand. I've never seen this. Again with the ribbons and the hearts. Girl, you too much. Show me some face wipes. You know, yesterday I was cleaning out my cabinet where I keep all my stuff like this, and I haven't been buying wipes because I thought for sure that I had way too many, and I'm like, you need to stop buying them because they're going to dry up. You need to use what you have. So yesterday when I was in my cabinet, I only have 3 packages, and to me that's not a lot, and the current one that I'm using, so I'm like, you can go out and buy some. Look at that. Now I got an extra one. And this is a jade facial roller. I'm gonna be 47 next month. This is gonna come in handy. I need it. I need to try to keep that youthful skin. Not that I have it, but whatever little is left of it, I want to keep it. Even though I definitely embrace aging. I kind of always thought I was going to be that way, and you know, it's living to be true. But, you know, I don't want to look old at the same time. There's my box here. Alright. How pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Looks expensive. Ooh, oh, it's got some weight to it too. Look at that. It's beautiful. That is gorgeous. It's like a marble finish to it. It's like I want to do it now, but I like threw on some call that BB cream or CC cream. I just threw it out because this thing loves to really emphasize on my imperfections. So a little bit of that goes a long way, because I went out today completely natural, which is usually how I like to go about things anyway, about the day. I hate the feel of makeup. All right, this is a shower cap and hair turban. Oh, and it's made by Spa Solutions. How cool is that? Girl, I'm all set up. Ooh. This is a coconut cream and vanilla gentle face scrub. And it's made by Bolero. Oh, it's got the thing on it. I wanted to touch it. Ooh, and she got me a facial cleaning brush system. Deep cleaning and exfoliating. Look at that. Oh, you're so thoughtful. Way too much. Way too much, Leo. Look at how pretty that is. Look at the color. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look how beautiful she is, guys. Look at her. How pretty is she? She sells this jewelry line. Oh, what a personal touch. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I have 3 weddings this year. 3 weddings. These will be perfect. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. Thank you. My gosh, this box is never ending. And she got me a Beauty Sleep satin pillowcase. There's a set of 2. You know, they say that this is the kind of pillows that you want to sleep with to help with wrinkles. And she got me a fizzing bath bomb, oats and sugar, and she put in this cute little bag. Alright, finally, there's an ending. So appreciated, but way too much, honey. Way too much. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Eat, pray, and love made me do it. Wow. This really means a lot. Thank you so much. Believe me, it was a rough 2018. 2019 is shaping up to maybe be even a little worse. So, yeah, trust me, I need this right now. Oh, look at the bow. And this is an inspirational quotes coloring book. Literally, I was just having a conversation with Denny about inspirational quotes before I turned on this camera. Girl, you're an angel. Stars can't shine without darkness. Yeah, I needed to hear that. Look how pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. It's beautiful. You're beautiful, and thank you really from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. If you think Leah is an awesome gift giver, give this video a thumbs up and head on over to her channel and tell her so. Bye. So I needed to jump back on here real quick because she also got me masks. It must have fell out of the box, and as I was just going to clean everything up, I noticed it. Like I said, it's the never-ending box. Oh my goodness. So this is the facial one. Now my phone's ringing. This is the sleeping mask. 2 DIY ones. And a coconut cream and vanilla one.
The fam skating and Caitlin crashing. Oh, she's going diagonal.